also a fact. A fact lived by many, today many live by it. But to develop your full saksham, full capability, full abilities that you have, because we all sitting here and thousands of professionals in the world today, we will die without not realizing our full potential. We will live our lives of 70, 80, 90 years without bringing out many latent talents and many latent energies that already we have been gifted with. Yes or no? Albert Einstein, he used only 3% of his brain. He is considered to be the most intelligent person ever upon this earth. Then what amount of brain that you and me must be using? So there are n number of abilities that we possess, n number of talents that we possess. So we are highly saksham, highly saksham. We need to bring those out by good thinking, by good exposures, by learning from experiences, by learning from obstacles, hurdles, oppositions, by learning from setbacks, failures and falls. You become more saksham. So invite difficulties. Hug your problems. Enjoy your falls. You will become more saksham. Are you rightly getting me? Am I right or wrong? It's part of life. But you become more saksham only if you have the right kind of attitude. Till the 90s, there was a question in the top management mind. Why some people with the best of abilities, with the best of resources available, still they succeed less or sometimes fail? And why sometimes with lesser resources people succeed and succeed more? So by the turn of the millennium, it was very clear in the top management mind and the top management gurus that all the resources combined do not necessarily guarantee you success. Then what guarantees your success? They said with more or less resources, the one thing that guarantees success, it is your right kind of attitude towards your abilities. The first principle of saksham we are talking of. Ability, your attitude towards it. I can do it. I can make it happen. That attitude towards your abilities, that faith in your abilities will make you grow, will make you succeed. I have read more than 500 biographies and autobiographies of great personalities, from Nelson Mandela to Abraham Lincoln, to George Washington, to Winston Churchill, to Mahatma Gandhi, to Sardar Patel, to Sachin Tendulkar, everybody. They always believed that they were saksham. They always believed that they had the abilities to overcome any difficulties. They always believed that they had the power, they had the ability, they had the skills to do any job in front of them. They were that confident. A very important aspect to be learned from these people, isn't it? Yes or no? They always believed that they were saksham. Believe that you are saksham, irrespective of the resources and backgrounds that you have. Because Swami Vivekananda used to say, each and every soul is potentially divine. Our Guru Pramukh Swami Maharaj, who created this organization to this level. As I said, we are among the top 10 NGOs of the world. He single-handedly built, you have seen Akshardham, he single-handedly built 1,300 such campuses and successfully administered it in 60 countries of the world. And that Akshardham that you see today, we are building such 4 huge Akshardhams. Already the construction work has started. One is in New Jersey, America at Robbinsville. It is on 265 acres of land. Second is in Abu Dhabi. Third is in Johannesburg, South Africa. And fourth is in Sydney, Australia. all projects coming up as huge as Aksharta.